I'm here today to talk to you about a book that I really recommend for anyone who is interested in learning more about capture the flag competitions. The book is called The Handbook for CTFers and it was written by the NAL team, which is one of the China's top CTF teams. The Handbook for CTFers is a comprehensive guide to CTFs. It covers everything from the basics of CTFs to advanced techniques and strategies. It also includes real-world case studies and a wealth of the NAL team's competition experience. The book is divided into 12 chapters, each covering a different aspect of CTFs. The first 10 chapters focus on Jeopardy style CTFs, which are the most common type of CTF. This chapter covers traditional categories of tasks like web, pawn and crypto, as well as some of the latest hot topics and techniques such as blockchain. Case studies are provided for all of these types of tasks. The final 2 chapters of the book cover on-site attack defense style CTFs and penetration testing. Attack defense style CTFs are a type of CTF where teams are divided into attackers and defenders. The attackers try to break into the defenders' systems while the defenders try to keep them out. Penetration testing is a security assessment methodology that simulates an attacker's attempt to gain unauthorized access to a system. So why do I recommend this book? Well, for a few reasons. First, it's well written and easy to follow, even for beginners. Second, it's packed with useful information, including tips, tricks, and strategies from the NAL team. Third, it's comprehensive, covering a wide range of topics related to CTFs. If you are interested in learning more about CTFs, I highly recommend the Handbook for CTFers. It's an essential resource for any aspiring CTF player. You can find the book on Amazon or on the NAL team's website. I'll put the links on the description box. Thank you for watching.